Trimble's MEP division exists to enable contractors and engineers across the mechanical, electrical and plumbing industries to access an entire spectrum of technology solutions and up-to-date data from manufacturers and distributors, all while lowering working risks and maintaining profit margins. The MEP division has expanded rapidly in recent years, now having a truly global presence, with 700 team members in locations across 14 countries, spanning 4 continents, providing sales, vital services and support to over 20,000 clients worldwide. With industry-leading solutions, the MEP division connects key workflows and offers MEP contractors and engineers a comprehensive portfolio of options. We call the integrated workflow approach that the MEP division offers win the work, do the work, manage the work, as we provide key technologies and support in each of these areas. Win the Work enables MEP contractors to do just that through estimating, pricing services and graphical takeoff. For example, we provide intelligent software for accurately and quickly estimating materials, a great example of a service that can help contractors to win the work. Do the Work, the next part of the workflow, can be split into 2 sections, office and field. The range of office-based solutions and innovative design tools offered by the MEP division is vast, including calculation, detailing, fabrication and BIM collaboration, as well as 3D modeling services. Taking the work into the field, MEP contractors can benefit from a portfolio that includes layout solutions, 3D laser scanning, field mobility and scanning services. The final section of our offering gives contractors the technology they need to manage the work, including help with project and fleet management and asset tracking. Thanks for listening. We're Trimble's MEP division, here for mechanical, electrical and plumbing contractors and engineers, every step of the way.